Imagine waking up tomorrow and the earth has stopped spinning. No more sunrises, no more sunsets, just stillness. What happens to gravity, the oceans, us? Hold on tight, because this isn't just science fiction. This is what would really happen if our planet suddenly came to a halt. The Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. If it stopped suddenly, the atmosphere wouldn't get the memo. Everything not solidly anchored, your house, trees, oceans, would be hurled eastward at breakneck speed. It would be like a planet-wide car crash, but way worse. Skyscrapers obliterated, cities swept clean. The oceans veiled for massive tsunamis racing around the globe. This would be a global extinction level event in seconds. Assuming anything survives the initial chaos, the Earth now enters a strange new phase. One side of the planet would face the sun constantly. That side becomes an unrelenting inferno, with temperatures scorching above 55 degrees Celsius or more. The other side, eternal night. Temperatures would plummet far below freezing, crops would die, ecosystems would collapse. Humans forced to migrate to the narrow twilight zone between light and dark, the only place still somewhat habitable. Without the centrifugal force from spinning, the Earth's shape would change. Today, it bulges at the equator, but now it begins to flatten slightly. Water that was held at the equator would rush towards the poles, causing massive flooding in some areas and extreme droughts in others. Entire coastlines would be redrawn. Countries would vanish underwater, others would become unrecognizable. Global politics, resource wars, practically inevitable. The Earth's spin also powers its magnetic field. Without it, that shield protecting us from solar radiation fails. Radiation would bombard the surface, electronics would fry, cancer rates would skyrocket, and the beautiful auroras would become deadly. Could humanity adapt? Maybe. We'll need underground shelters, artificial lighting for crops, and climate-controlled habitats. Life would shrink into narrow belts of survival, maybe even deep ocean colonies. But it would take global cooperation and decades of preparation, something we don't have if this happens suddenly. So, thankfully, this nightmare scenario is purely hypothetical. Earth isn't stopping anytime soon, but it reminds us how perfectly balanced our planet really is. What do you think would be the scariest part of a motionless Earth? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.